Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. So this reading will be no contact. Do they miss you? Whoever is your person, whoever you're thinking about, do they miss you or not? Okay, there is no communication between you both, and you want to know whether that person misses you or not. So we will see today. Okay, so we have two piles here. Pile number one, this brown stone or rock, and this is a white rock. So whichever rock you are intuitively connected with, you can choose it. Okay, so if you need more time, you can pause the video and you can select the pile you want. If you want to meditate on the pile, you can do that. So then that's all. Before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers, whoever are constantly supporting me and my channel. I am growing along with my channel, and I want to do more and more videos, and your comments, likes are motivating me to do so. So that's all I have for you. Then please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take it whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. That's all I have to say. If you want any personal reading, you can contact me. My details are given below, and I can guide you once I receive your email. Okay, that's all. Then let's start the reading. Pile number one, this brown rock. Pile number two, this white rock. Okay, whichever you want to choose, you can choose. Let's start the reading with pile one. Whoever chose this brown rock, this reading is for you. I'm keeping the rock here, and let's see. No communication, your person miss you or not. All the cards are jumping. That means there is a lot to say. Whoever chose this pile, they have a lot to say to you. So let's see. Pile number one, no communication. Do they miss you? Do they miss you? Do they miss you? Please, spirits and angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Do they miss my pile number one? One last shuffle. Do they miss my pile number one? Do they miss my pile number one? Five of Moons, then Prophetess, and Three of Suns. Okay, so here I can see a lot of emotions, and bottom of the deck it is the Hierophant. Okay, so the bottom of the deck is Hierophant. I'm keeping it here. Hope you can see the stone. Okay, fine. So I can see here a lot of emotions are running out from your person. They are thinking about you a lot, but they also is. So Five of Moons means they are regretting over this connection, or grieving or loss they are feeling, because they are not in communication now. They regret about this connection, and maybe Hierophant here means two things. Okay, and I can also see the number five is very prominent for you. Maybe the month of May, something had happened in between you, so month of May might be prominent, or number five is prominent in your life, or 8 or 3, something is prominent. Please take the numbers as it resonates. Okay, so this person is trustworthy, loyal, and most committed person actually. So he whatever this person, he or she takes up, they will be loyal to the other person, that kind of a personality. But Five of Moon says that they are grieving over this connection, and they feel the loss, they regret. So they have so many emotions towards you. They are definitely, they are missing you, but the thing is they are thinking now. They are even whatever happens for a reason, now they have plenty of time to think about this connection. Now they are not wasting their time. They want to make it as a turning point in their life. Now they can they are in a position to take a right decision. So now they are thinking deeply about this connection. So even the prophetess. So the prophetess means that they see you as a honest woman, and they see as good and loyal friends. Maybe you both know each other already, and that means I meant to say that you might be both are friends in the past, like childhood friends or colleagues. So somehow you know this person earlier, before that, before you became into you came into connection, so you know them before itself. Okay, so this person sees you as a good and loyal friend, and good natured person. You are trust to say always you will tell the truth. So this person respects you a lot actually. So they feel that you have lot of wisdom and devotion towards this connection, and they also see that you have balance in your emotions, and balance in everything in your life. And they also feel that emotional expressions, you are very much expressive. Okay, you can express your feelings clearly, and this person is not able to take it or accept it, or they are not able to say return the same feelings or expressions towards you. And they are feeling, and they feel that you have wisdom and balance. Then even they feel that you have the humanity also. Okay, but right now they are into something else. They are starting a new business or something, some enterprise they are entering into. Okay, so something they are trading right now, or they want to take action in their some kind of a business or trading. This person might be into a business actually. Okay, so this person is now they are taking a bold step, or they are taking a courageous step in their life to fulfill their dreams or something like that. So right now they are missing you. Maybe when they are alone, or when they are at night time, when before they go to bed, they are missing you definitely. But right now they are doing something else in their life. Okay, for some people I can see that this person might be married also, because a hierophant is there. Hierophant means it's a strong committed person. Okay, this person already might be into a commitment or marriage. Let's pull some more cards, whether we will see whether this person miss you or not. Let's pull some more cards. Spirits and angels, Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. Do they miss my pile 1? Whoever chose this brown rock, do their person miss them? Please give us some guidance. Okay, 1. Okay, the moon. The moon card. Ace of Wands. And 6 of Swords. Okay, I have these 3 cards here. Then bottom of the deck, it is 2 of Cups. Okay, so definitely they miss you, and they are missing your companionship. They are missing your warmth and touch. Maybe you had some intimate moments. They feel that you both are soulmates, and you both are like partners. Maybe you are already partners in some business, or maybe you are colleagues sharing a same project, something like that. They are missing you actually. So they know that you both are soulmates, and they want to share their cup of love. This is a symbol of love. 2 of Cups means this is a symbol of love, and you both are partners already. You feel like both are committed to each other, and they feel like they are committed to you, okay, in some way. So Hierophant is there, and also this 2 of Cups is there. So that means this person is like committed. Okay, for very few of you, this person is committed to somebody else, and they are not able to come towards you. But I can see the moon. That means there are some hidden secrets about this person. This person is not telling you. So this person is not able to I can say that they don't have the courage to tell you whatever is happening in their life, or whatever secrets are there in their life, or they have the issues with the mother. So maybe his or her mother is not accepting this connection, or they are interfering in your personal things or this connection. so they are not able to tell you everything. Then Ace of Wands, that means they want a passionate new beginning with you. They want to contact you, they want to communicate, and they want to come towards you actually. The Six of Swords means they want to travel, and definitely I can see that this is a long distance connection. So they have to travel and come towards you. They want to come meet you, and for some of you, as I told you already, either this person is married or you are married, and maybe a single mom or single dad. So this person want to travel and come towards you, and they want to take you actually. They want a new beginning, and they want to take you along with them. Okay, so they already they see you as their partner, and they also feel that you are already married. Okay, so they definitely miss you, and they are planning actually how to come towards you, because Six of Swords is a action card. They want to come towards you, but I can see a lot of emotions are involved here, a lot of love is there. But at the same time, right now this person is starting a new business or new venture or new enterprise, some trading, some activity is there. So this person is taking a bold step. Let's see one advice card from angels, what they want to say. Okay, the Emperor. Okay, so you angels and universe and spirit guides, they want to say this person might be little bit dominant, but at the same time they see you as a mother of their children. So bottom of the deck it is Empress. So definitely this person sees you as a wife material, and they want to marry you. So because why I can say this, Emperor and Empress are there together in the same deck. Okay, that shows that you both are meant to be together, and you both have the same feelings, like you want to marry each other. Emperor and Empress, the pair came into in this reading. Okay, even universe is saying that you both are meant to be together, but you both are very strong people. Emperor and Empress both are very strong, very sometimes I can say egotistical. Both of you are having ego, so that is the reason you both are not able to contact each other. So both of you are thinking that why me, why should I contact them first, they should contact me. So both of you are having some misunderstanding, some problems in this relationship, that you both are not able to talk to each other. Okay, so but still they see you as you are their mother of their children, because the Empress means the pregnant lady, and you see them as your husband, or whatever it is, because Emperor sometimes they are little controlling, dominating, but still both of you are made for each other, meant to be together. So I can see here definitely mirroring number 4 and 6, and also I can see 3 prominent here. So there is a synchronicity here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, all these numbers are like synchronous. So something is divinely something is going to happen. Okay, and this is divine connection. Okay, so let's see what are their messages for you, what are their messages for my pile 1, what are their messages for my pile 1, what are their messages for my pile 1, what are their messages for my pile 1. Children are affecting this connection. Okay, as I already told you, if, some of you maybe single mom or single dad, so they are saying children are affecting this connection. So let's pull some more cards. Okay, this distance is killing me. Definitely whatever cards came here, they are reconfirming actually. Six of Swords is a distance card, so it is saying that the distance is killing me. So they are thinking like that. And you are my best friend, so they want to say, already I told you that you both may be childhood friends or classmates, something like that. So they are also saying that you are my best friend, I want to grow old with you. So definitely this person want to grow old with you. They are missing you definitely. Okay. So let us pull some more cards, then I can wrap up this reading. Two more cards, Spirit. Yes, exactly, 2 more cards came. Let's see. Let's work this out. This person is asking for a second chance. This person says, let's work this out. Let's work this out. Then wishing you were with me right now. So they are definitely missing you, pile number 1. Whoever chose this brown rock, they are definitely missing you. There is no doubt about it. Very beautiful reading, and everything is correlating, coordinating with each other, and I can see the synchronicity here. So all the best, friends. This is the beautiful reading, I feel so. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. And please press bell symbol to get more notifications regarding my new videos. That's all I have for you. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this white rock, this reading is for you. No communication, no contact. Do your person miss you or not? Let's see. Does the person miss my viewer? No contact. Do they miss my viewer? Do they miss them? Do they miss them? Do their person miss them? No communication, no contact. Do they miss them? Please, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Do they miss them or not? Do they miss whomever they are thinking about? My viewer. Do they miss my viewer also? Do they miss my viewer? Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Do they miss my viewer? Ten of Moons. The Lovers. And the Abyss. Okay, these three cards I got here. And I have the bottom of the deck, Three of Stars. Three of Stars. Okay, let's start the reading. So here I can see Three of Stars, meaning there is a third party here, and you are heartbroken. Definitely even your person is heartbroken. So there is a third party. This might be from your side or from this person's side. This person is feeling, because we are asking how this person is feeling. Do they miss you or not? That is what we are asking, right? Definitely this person is missing you. Why? Because they feel like they lost it, and they feel heartbroken because Three of Stars is there. So they are regretting, actually. They are like in lot of pain. So they miss you a lot. Then Ten of Moons. Ten of Moons means it is a kind of, you both are, for many of you, I can see you both are already married. Okay, you both are like wife and husband. Then something happened between you and you both got separated. And the Lovers card. So you both love each other. Definitely you both love each other. And this person, maybe this person sees you as the life partner and they want to have Ten of Cups with you. Or this person is already married, or your spouse, this person is. And because of third party, you both are separated. This third party, as I said already, it might be from your side or from their side. Because of that, you both got separated. Okay, no communication, no contact. This third party can be anything, another person, or their family, or a job, or whatever it may be. There is a third party here. That is the reason you both are separated. But you both love each other. And this person might be Gemini also. Maybe you are dealing with Gemini person. Okay, so this person is definitely missing you, and they are like waiting for you. Okay, they are waiting for you to contact them. So the Abyss, that means they see you as a queen. Okay, you are very strong, powerful woman, or whoever is it, please take it how it resonates. They see you as you are into your power, and you have lot of you have lot of clarity, wisdom, then a lot of courage. You are bold. Then you are into your power. You have whatever you want to have. Okay, so they now almost, for some of you, I feel that this came till divorce. Okay, so you are very strong and very adamant, I can say. You are not at all thinking in a sensitive manner. So you are taking this into a serious way, or kind of a defensive way, or battling. Okay, so your sword is up, actually. So you are ready to fight. That's what they see. So I feel that this person is missing the viewer, and viewer is having the third party. That's what I feel. Okay, this viewer is very much strong, defensive, and they don't want to admit their mistake, whatever they have done, whatever happened between you both. So they don't want to admit it. Okay, they are very, very defensive. So that is what they are feeling, and they are heartbroken. They don't know what to do, how to come. They are definitely missing you. They're thinking about you. They have lot of love towards you. Lovers card is there, and they see you as their potential partner. So 10 of cups means maybe you both are already partners and separated, or they see you as their life partner. Okay, so we have here 7 of Pentacles. Let's pull some more cards. Do they miss you? Do they miss my viewer? Do they miss my viewer? So we have 2 cards here. One is Queen of Pentacles and Lovers. Again, lovers, friends. So you both are meant to be together. This is divinely guided connection, and angels are protecting this connection. Lovers card came twice. Definitely this is divinely guided. Even here also the moon card is there. So I can see that there are a lot of secrets. Maybe from your side or this person's side, both of you are not sharing the you both are not actually very fair and transparent to each other. You have a lot of secrets. They also feel that you have a lot of secrets and you are not telling them, or your mother or their mother, they are not agreeing or accepting this connection, and they are just waiting. They are not doing anything. They are not taking any action. They are admiring you from far, and they are seeing, looking at you, looking at your pictures. Maybe they're just maybe they are stalking also. They might be keeping an eye on you, but they are not doing anything. They have sowed the seeds, and they are waiting to them to reap, and they are waiting for the fruition. They are simply but they have a very, very good feelings towards you. You both are lovers. They love you a lot. They feel that you both are Adam and Eve, and the angels are guiding this, protecting this connection, and they feel that you are a Queen of Pentacles. You have lot of wealth, a lot of money, lot of wisdom, and for some of you, you are a single mom, okay, or a single dad. I already told you there is a third party. Okay, so some of you might be single mom or single dad. Here 2 queens are there in this spread, and 2 lovers are there in this spread. Okay, so there definitely there is a third party, but whomever you are thinking about, definitely that person is missing you. Okay, Gemini is very strong here. I can say that Pisces is strong here. So let's pull some guidance card from the universe and spirit guides. Let's pull some guidance card. Spirits and angels, please give us some clarity. What is happening in this connection? Do they again, friends? Are you kidding me? 1, 2, 3 lovers. Okay, 3-time lovers, hat trick. Whoever chose this pile number 2, they are lucky, and you both are lovers. You both are meant to be together. I never saw 3 times lovers card coming in the same reading. Okay, so bottom of the deck is star. So they see you as a star. So this might be Aquarius also. So they see you as a star, and they have a hope that this connection will work out. Okay, as I told you already, you both might be already wife and husband and separated due to something, and it came up to divorce, but you are strong lovers. Okay, 3 times lovers card came. So you both love each other. They miss you a lot, but they don't know how to proceed ahead and how to come towards you. And but they have a hope that something happens, some magic will happen, some miracle will happen in this connection, and you both will be together. That's what they are feeling right now. Let's pull their messages for you. Messages from their person to my pile 2. Messages from their person. Let me take out. Okay, let me take out. Let this connection be platonic. Okay, they don't want to have a sexual relationship, but they love you a lot, because they feel that maybe you're not ready for that right now. So they are saying, let this connection be platonic. I wish I had treated you better. So as I told you already, you had some issues with this person. So they are now regretting that they didn't treat you better. I know I messed up everything. Now they know that they have done something wrong, and you both got separated. Okay, heart to heart conversation. They want the heart to heart conversation with you. Let's pull 2 more cards. 2 more cards, spirit. 2 more cards. What they want to say to my pile 2. What their person want to say. Okay, so many cards flew away. Let me take out. Uh-oh. Okay, addictions are affecting your love life. Okay, there is third party, there are addictions in this connection. So addictions are affecting your love life. I don't know how to fix this. As I already told you, this person is not aware what to do, how to fix things between both of you. Let me take out the cards. One card fell down. Okay. I am stuck now. Please move on. I am stuck now. Please move on. So this person is saying this because I already told you that they are stuck with third party. Definitely third party relationship is there here, and they have a lot of pain. Okay, three of swords is there. That means they have a lot of pain in this connection. But you love each other. This lovers card three times. So you are so lucky. This is divinely guided connection. You don't have any doubt about this person. Definitely this person loves you and they will definitely come towards you. Okay, that's all I have for you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. And also please like, share and subscribe, and press the bell symbol to get more notifications regarding my new videos. That's all I have for you. Until the next reading, bye.